how to adjust the speed of a clip in a gradual manner so it will not change the speed instantly inside Davinci Resolve. Click on the clip on the timeline here on the Edit tab. You can press either Shift+C and Retime is opening here below, or you can right click on the clip itself and Retime Curve. Okay, now let's make a little bit of space here. In the upper left corner, left click on that down pointing arrow and disable Retime Frame. We will use only the speed. Okay, now position your playhead in the desired locations. So at this point I will add a keyframe between this vertical line and that horizontal one. We can zoom in with Alt and scroll up for more precision. So Alt and left click between these two lines. Okay, and go further. The drone is going, Alt and scroll down, is going to this point, to that flag. Add a keyframe here also, Alt and left click. Okay, and now between those two keyframes we can drag this line up, and that is going to increase the speed of that portion. The maximum is, as you can see, only 300%. That can be adjusted from this one. Drag this number to the left or to the right. I will increase it to, let's say, around 2000, somewhere there, and make this one faster, 2000. Now the same thing, go further, let's say from there, Alt and left click, and till there, Alt and left click, increase the speed of this portion also to 2000. Now zoom in a little bit, Alt and scroll up on your mouse. Click on one of those keyframes and we have these two. This is a curved line and the other one is a straight line. If I click on this one, notice it rounded this line. Click on that keyframe also and round that one also, so that the change is not that instant between the low speed and the high speed. If we click on these two, we can determine the length of the transition from here till here, till the top. So if we want a smoother transition, make it longer, or a shorter one, make it shorter. By disabling it and re-enabling it, it returns to its default value. Unfortunately, you cannot select multiple dots. You have to do it manually. Okay, and that's about it. How to smoothly increase the speed of a clip. Let's preview it. It will not be too real time because it has to process all that data. It's not instant. Something like that. Okay, after you modified the clip, if you click on the clip and press R, you can see that the speed of the clip is more than 100%. So if you want to reset it back, type 100 and that will eliminate all those keyframes. Replace. And now it returned to its original value.